Welcome back to another video. This is Patrice J, and today I'm kind of going through how I prep for my clients when they come in for their final fittings, as well as giving you guys a sneak peek of the finished dresses. So I am just putting my client's, my bride's dress on the dress form so that when she walks in for her final fitting, the very first thing she sees is her dress on the dress form. I also allowed my brides to bring in two guests with them for support so they can have some company on their very special day. And just have that full bridal salon experience. And because this dress was on a dress form, I went ahead and steamed it to get any wrinkles out that may have been that it may have gotten from being in the garment bag and everything. My husband came in. He's so very helpful, literally always a helping hand. So grateful to have him. And I definitely have to purchase my own steamer because I borrowed this one from someone, but this thing is clutch. I'm definitely going to have to get one for my studio. A special a special perk that I do for my brides is that I will purchase the neck jewelry, the earrings, and any type of headwear they need if they want me to. If they'll allow me to do that for them, that's something that I would like to continue to do. I went ahead and purchased the necklace for April as well as her earrings and then her headpiece. Um, the bling was also purchased by me, and those are the bling on the waistbands are hand sewn onto the dress, the skirt, as well as the jumpsuit. Another thing that my brides provided me with a piece of fabric that was given to them by a loved one, and I was able to hand stitch that into the bodice of their gowns. Just a little special touch, and then it also took care of the something blue. More bling because bling is very, very special and cute. This fabric is so pretty. It came from fabrics.com. Then I'm just showing you the inside finishing, so labels and how everything in the waistband is completely clean. The lining is clean, fresh on the inside, clean on out. Y'all know how the song goes. So, just very, very. My goal is to just make things look as polished as possible. One other thing that I included with my brides was a personalized hanger. So there's April's, it has her name, and it also has their wedding date. So just an extra touch. And unfortunately, I couldn't find the white skirt hangers to go with the hangers that I purchased. This dress is for Miss Javania. Miss Javania loves the extra, so she has bling, she has lace, she has a dramatic cape veil, but everything was done decently and in order, and she looked like royalty. So I cut out the little individual pieces of lace and hand sewed them to the tulle. And then the tulle, I should have measured the length of this train, but she was able to detach the train for her ceremony. So for the ceremony, she was in full royal regalia, and then for the reception, she was able to remove it so that she can dance the night away. Very, very, very proud of how well both of these dresses turned out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and please don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.